What's up guys, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to receive money on Wise. So once you're inside your Wise app guys, there are a few ways how to go about receiving money. Now if you look right below your account details there, you will see that you have send, add money and request. So if you tap on request on this page, you will be able to create the request. So you can either type in the person name or their email or their Wise tag if you have that, or you can just simply go ahead and choose anyone with this link. So if you go ahead and choose the option that says anyone, share a link to get paid, this will go ahead and it will open up the section where you can easily find your Wise tag. If your Wise tag is not it there, it will show inactive, and you can just simply go ahead and activate your Wise tag. So all you have to do is just share the QR code. You can simply tap on share and you can go ahead and choose any way you want to share this. So you can either copy the link as you can see at the top there and share the link, or you can share this on WhatsApp, you email, Instagram, whichever way you want to go ahead and share the Wise link, you can go ahead and share that and you can receive payment by doing this. Alternatively, you can also go ahead and just share them your Wise tag and just tell them to send whatever amount you want. Now, if you look below the share button, you also have add amount and note. So you can simply tap on that and you can simply choose whichever currency you want. So if I want to receive it in check, I can go ahead and select this amount and I can say I would like to receive, let's say 100, right? And I can go ahead and create the payment link. Here you can see that the payment link is created, and I can simply go ahead and either share the QR code or copy and simple tap that and I can share that with the person. You can also see that there's a QR code for that specific payment as well with the amount. So you can go ahead and you can send this QR code to the person that you want to go ahead and receive that money from. Now you can go ahead and you can tap on done. Now you can always go ahead and you can track those different payments to see if someone send the money to you or if it's still open. So if you click on the payment on the lower right hand side, you will see that you have the options that says payment request, and it says one unpaid right in there. So you can go ahead and you can tap on that, and here you will see the amount that is unpaid, and you will have the option to tap to see the amounts that are paid as well. So you can easily choose whichever option and you can easily find those payment requests right in here. If at any time you want to, let's say, cancel a payment request, you can simply tap on that and you can go ahead and you can say mark as paid, or you can simply go ahead and close the link. You'll have the option to keep it or cancel it. You can tap on cancel and you will see that it is canceled, right? You will no longer have that request there, and that's how you go ahead and cancel it. Now there's another way how you can go ahead and do this. If you go ahead and find the account that you have, you can simply tap on that account, and once you tap on that account, right below the amount you will find like your IBAN details. You can tap on that and it's going to take you right into where you have your IBAN details. So you can go ahead and you can copy your IBAN and you can share this with them. As you can see, there is an icon to copy right beside each option, so you can go ahead and you can just simply share that IBAN with whosoever you want. As you can see upper right hand side, it says share. You can tap on that, and here you can go ahead and you can simply copy details, or you can download details, or you can simply go ahead and tap on share, and you have the option to share that details as well. These are the few ways guys that you can go ahead and receive money on Wise.